and it's like ऐसा था कि मैं भी रो दूंगी. I was about to cry, but then the whole team, you know, Bengali people are very natural, not over expressive, but very sweet in expression. We like to keep it very sweet. We like to keep it very natural next to a girl, but not with very high expression. Very,
But are they
very
on time?
subtle.
Are the actors on time in Bengal?
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah.
I think a lot of Bengali actors are very, very punctual. I learned about punctuality. It started from Bengali actors. I think in order to work in South Indian films, they are very expressive. They have specific, clarified emotions for every scene. And you know, have you watched South Indian films?
Yeah, of course.
If you're watching a South Indian film, you don't know what's going to happen in the next 5 seconds.
Yeah.
It's like that.
I know that.
They have this high energy everywhere, and it's amazing.
Yes, of course.
I love watching South Indian films, and
Vijay Sethupathi is known for, you know, making comfortable people around, making sure that कि जो भी नए आ रहे हैं set पे, we talk, we sit together, we eat together. What was your experience with him?
love has become just a swipe, just another swipe away, you know. But to me, I think being an actress, you know, learning to explore emotions and get new characters in life, you know, that's all the game of emotions.
Hi, this is Jay and you're watching me in Galata, India. Today I'm in conversation with very talented Ritika Singh. Hi Ritika, how have you been? কেমন আছো?
Wow, I'm good. তুমি কেমন আছো?
আমি ভালো.
Wow, I'm so surprised.
I stayed in Bengal, so I know I can understand Bengali. I can talk Bengali because I studied there.
Okay.
Yeah. But how have you been? How is Mumbai treating you?
I'm so good right now. I'm so happy with the film and everything, and the audience reviews. It's amazing. The feeling is amazing. Yeah.
Yeah. And Mumbai, I host had something?
Of course. Of course, I like, you know, pav bhaji a lot. So it happened with me even before. जब मैं आई थी, the first thing I did was, you know, have pav bhaji, and I also like having vada pav. But I do have to maintain the quantity sometimes. Yeah.
You came last night, I think. I saw your video. I saw your Paps video.
Yeah, day before yesterday. Last, yeah. हाँ.
But a recent film, it talks about love, trust, relationship. Have that film changed your perception about love, trust, relationship? What is about?
Okay. Well, I think love is something I am learning about yet, and I'm learning so much every day, you know. I think so much love in today's generation, it has become so easy, and love has become just a swipe, just another swipe away, you know. But to me, I think being an actress, you know, learning to explore emotions and get new characters in life, you know, that's all the game of emotions. And I have been learning about emotions, and I am very emotional as a person. So for me, I think love is completely different from what it is in today's generation, and it is beyond what it looks like. It's beyond just an emotion, just a word. It has a lot in it, and I'm still, you know, reckoning, realizing, learning about it. Yet to realize.
Too, I thought, you know, it's all about love, and it's your film title itself talks about कि क्या है love के बारे में.
कादल कदाई सोलावा.
कादल सोलावा. It talks about कि talk to me about love stories.
Yeah,
है ना? So I thought कि of course it could have been changed in your mind about love, the perception about love. Yeah. But how was the experience?
Well, you know, every time I'm doing a love story, of course I'm learning so much more about love. I'm realizing and you know, exploring the battles the character is facing. That is also the emotional turmoil you need to understand in order to express it, you know. in order to connect with the audience, you need to feel the emotions. And in that way, I do understand our director's vision about love. And there's so much depth in our story, and the story is amazing. I would not say much about the story, but we have captioned it love story or more. I mean, this is not just a love story, it has more to it. It has drama, emotional turns, twists in the story, you know. Yeah, jealousy, and more of emotional drama. Also, a part of it is thriller. My character, I'm just saying before you ask. So the character I'm playing of Shreya Sriraji, a bubbly, charming girl, young girl, who is a guitarist, and she lives for music, just like I live for acting. So she lives for music, and that's her first love. And a guy falls in love with her, and gradually she falls too, and their love story begins. And music like is her life. And we start with seeing this girl as a bubbly, charming young girl, jolly and all. But with time, we will see different shades of this girl and how she faces different problems in life, how she deals with it, and she falls, gets up, and so strengthens with time. I love to play such characters where you relate to the women of
I'm sure
society.
your favorite genre is love or romance.
No. No, I think my favorite genre is thrill. I think thriller.
Action thriller.
Yes, that's my favorite genre.
Yeah.
Let's see, maybe in future, who knows. But I think this film has a lot of mysterious thrill in it, especially the climax part. And we had different kind of character shade challenges. Okay, spoiler. I'm not
Alert.
going to. Yeah, spoiler alert.
Sure.
I was just stepping into that, but I can't say because I have to hold on to, the last part. But I think overall, the story is amazing, and I'm so happy. I'm so grateful to be a part of this film with such an amazing director, incredible director. He's chill. He can explain the timings of the character and the timings of the scene, emotions, everything. He's an amazing director, an amazing star cast. I'm so grateful to be a part of this whole film.
Vijay Sethupathi is known for making comfortable people around, making sure that कि जो भी नए आ रहे हैं set पे, we talk, we sit together, we eat together. What was your experience with him?
I was very nervous because the fact that language, I hardly understand the accent of Tamil, and being a Bengali girl, I'm going to speak fluent Tamil and with such huge dialogues on script, and I'm playing a character of a Tamil girl who is fluent in Tamil, and you have to portray the dialogue along with the emotions and everything. It was quite, I was quite nervous. And I remember there was a scene, and I thought maybe I won't be able to pull it off, but I was very sad. And it's like ऐसा था कि मैं भी रो दूंगी. I was about to cry. But then the whole team, all the actors, starting from the whole star cast and the director, our entire team, especially the director and their team, they helped me calm down. There was a scene where I, have a conversation with Shetupati sir about, and that is a very important scene of our film. It turns the story. So I was very nervous. And that's when our director, Sanil Kalathil sir, he actually, re-explained me the power of emotion and the power of expression, how it can cover up your dialogues and everything. And, then the journey started. And now I feel like that's the truth, cinema has one proper universal language, and that is emotion. and that's how I keep that in mind and I work on it.
या बट हैव वी वर्कड वैसे वैसे तो आपने तमिल में पहले भी काम किया है बट हैव यू सीन एनी डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन बंगाली सिनेमा एंड तमिल सिनेमा वर्क वाइज कल्चर वाइज एनीथिंग
um, yeah, from this aspect of culture, you can say बहुत difference है, completely different. Bengali people are very natural, not over expressive, but very sweet in expression, and we like to keep it, very sweet. We like to keep it very natural next to a girl, but not with very high expression. Very,
But are they
very
on time?
subtle.
Are the actors on time in Bengal?
Yeah, obviously. I think a lot of Bengali actors are very, very punctual. I learned about punctuality. It started from Bengali actors. I think I learned it from Prashanjit Chatterjee. I've worked with him, and I have learned how to be on time on set, and you know be chill and on time from him. And so many actors are on time, I think. So the differences, coming back to that, I think we like to keep it subtle, natural, relatable, on the basis of Bengali culture, which is being very sweet. Our language is also sweet, 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 all like Rasgulla. And I think when it comes to South India, uh, people are very helpful, and they like to help each other always in everything. So it's amazing to be a have such helpful co-actors who help you with the language, expressions, cues, especially cues, because I don't understand Tamil properly. They help me a lot with the cues, like where to end and where to start, the expressions, everything. I remember my hero Nakul winking once for the cue, because that wink, it was a like OS shot, over shoulder shot, and I couldn't understand the cue. So he told me, I'll just wink so that you can understand my dialogue is done and you have to start now. So that was the cue. I remember. But this is just one moment that I remember. But throughout, they are very helpful, and their culture, I think, it reflects on the acting skill, because they're very expressive, and they're very clear about expression and the energy and the expression. I think that's what I had to work on in order to work in South Indian films. They are very expressive. They have specific clarified emotions for every scene. And have you watched South Indian films? If you're watching a South Indian film, you don't know what's going to happen in next 5 seconds. It's like that. They have this high energy everywhere, and it's amazing. I love watching South Indian films, and I love to be a part of it too.
By the way, I would like to say you that Galata is a very big if you know about
Yeah,
it.
absolutely.
In South,
I know,
Chennai,
right?
it's a top one channel there. So yeah, we have to see the South films.
Definitely, definitely.
Yeah, but we're gonna
I'll
see this
just
one.
I'll just say that it's amazing to know in this generation of new cinema, the the platforms have broadened up so much for performing actors like me, and it has given us space to step out of our comfort zone and perform certain different characters. And I am so excited for playing such characters and more of it, and exploring myself as an actress more. And I would just say that it's lovely to realize the fact that how audience have always supported new beginnings and good cinema. So I'm sure people are going to love this movie. Please watch Kadal Kadai Solava. It's an amazing film.
Yeah, they will. But you have started working since your childhood, right? And कभी ऐसा feel हुआ कि that I know many things, so people can't, you know, be against of me or something like that. I know many things. I have perks. I have this. I know how to behave on camera. But this was also the feeling कि नहीं, I have missed out a lot things because of working since childhood, something like that.
Yeah. See, when it comes to acting, you can say I have also grown up on set. of Bengali films and serials. I've grown up walking. So my if we talk about childhood nostalgia, generally people have, you know, playing moments and school moments and everything, and all I have is working in front of the camera, and that was my playing moment. The thing is, I have not missed out on my childhood. I'll not say that, because I have enjoyed so much more than, I think, than the other kids. I'll just say that, because it was like every day was new to me, new surprise, meeting new people, connecting with the unit, and as the, you know, youngest member of the unit, people used to love me so much. Somebody used to feed me, somebody used to give me chocolates. It was amazing to work with, you know, new people as a kid. And well, I think when it comes to learning, as you were saying, I have so much more to learn, and I never feel that I know so much. I think I just, whatever I know is just this much, and my potential is just endless. So I am always there to learn, you know. If you are asking me to learn something, I will always listen. I'm a good listener, and I can always, you know, work on something that will help me grow and get better. Yeah.
Mhm. But how is Bengali cinema evolving these days?
Well, we have always been little story based and little intellectual about the stories. I think Bengali cinema has also entered in the new generation of cinema, which is we are also entering. Sorry, we are also entering the OTTs, and the OTTs where people all over the India can watch our films and series and everything. I have also done one OTT, which is available on Ada Times. That is one Bengali web series. It's based on, it's women oriented drama, marriage drama, but it's a different storyline. A young girl gets married to some mysterious family. So it's amazing to know that how we can reach to a broader audience, and we are working on that. And the stories are getting better and better, and every day. Let's see.
Because you belongs to Bengal, I really want to ask that people are too rich into Bengali cultures, art, exhibition, everything. I really want to ask, do you have you also adapted any one of that, like singing or something like that?
Well, yeah, I do a little bit of dance and singing. I love singing, but I have not learned classical singing. I'm not a singer at all, but it has been a part of my hobby, just hobby. I love listening to music, good songs, and I also love, you know, grooving on it. So I think that's a part of being an artist, loving all the, you know, artistical stuff you can learn. So I keep myself connected with, you know, songs, and I keep myself connected with good music.
What are the recent films you've watched in Bollywood?
Okay, the last film I have watched in Bollywood is Dhurandhar.
You liked it?
Yes, of course.
You're waiting for part two?
No, wait. Even after Dhurandhar, I think I've watched Border 2.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the last film.
You liked it? Both
Yeah.
the films?
Yeah,
Yeah.
both of the films are amazing. These are the last two films I watched.
ऐसा होता है फिल्म देखने के बाद कि मैं भी ये रोल कर सकती थी मुझे बुला लेते
हाँ, मुझे तो लगता है, अरे I was just thinking that I always feel that, you know, but I was just thinking if I should say that right now or not. But ऐसा लगता है कि my God, such an amazing story. I was stunned when I watched Border 2. मुझे लगा कि काश मैं भी कोई कैरेक्टर करती ऐसे फिल्म में, हाँ, ऐसा strong storyline and amazing. I always want to be a part of a patriotic movie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have a segment called Travel Diaries. Okay, we'll ask a question. You have to answer it.
Okay.
ठीक है? We'll go to our travel segment diaries. Yeah. Okay. After back-to-back shoots and event, what does a perfect vacation looks like for you?
First thing I think of is sleep and take rest. But if you talk about vacation, after sleeping, I'd love to go on a beach and take a couple of days off. Yeah.
Okay, you're a beach person
I'm a beach person.
or a mountain.
Mm, Well, both. But if you say a short vacation, I think beach.
Are you more of a plan everything traveler or a let's figure it out on the way?
I am more of a let's figure it out on the way because I have very bad experiences with planned trips. Yeah, you plan it and nothing happens. That's the worst thing. So I keep it unplanned and unplugged. Let's see what happens.
What kind of vacation help you reset the most luxury adventure or quite self-care tips?
Self-care trips.
Always,
Yeah.
no? Do you travel to escape chaos or to explore something new?
Both, I guess, both together. Of course, I want to skip the chaos sometimes because you need to stop, pause, and reset, and also explore something new, especially yourself. When I visit a place, I do explore a lot of things outside, but also explore peace and my mindset and so much inside my mind. Yeah.
What's one destination that completely surprised you?
I think I love going to the forest. I went to forest walk once, and that was so full of serenity and peace and everything. It was so peace. I felt like I'm completely unplugged. That's the reason why you go for a trip or a vacation, right? So it just worked so well. I just want to go on a forest walk once again into the nature.
When you're planning a vacation, what matter most to you, comfort, safety or convenience?
Safety first,
Huh?
second comfort.
Do you prefer everything pre-planned or stress-free packages where you can just switch off?
Pre-planned or stress-free packages where I can switch off.
Good
Okay,
one.
I'm just trying to yeah, both. I think both together.
What's one trip that changed the way you look at life today?
That's like such a deep question. My God, one thing. Okay, that changed my life today. I think learning to connect with people. People always support when you do the right thing, and you just need to look back and connect back with them. That's where you connect with people.
Any travel ritual you follow? Music, skincare, journaling or something like that?
Well, music, of course, I told you, and skincare is also on my list. I do a lot of journaling too. That helped me a lot to clarify my mind and get things organized.
Are you also the person who save the reels and pictures that we will take on the trip?
Yes, I do save the reels, but I never go back. I never check the saved reels. I just keep saving the reels.
Okay. Solo trips or trips with friends? What heals you more?
Well, I think trips with not friends, but I have some close people uh, of my circle. I think the people who uplift me. I think trips with them would heal me the most.
Yeah, that's it. But when are we seeing you in Bollywood?
It depends on how people. I think I have come here for the first time after the release of my film, and Mumbai people are very sweet and they have welcomed. They have given me a warm welcome. So let's see what happens.
But have you ever
am
tried?
Of course,
You keep giving auditions and all?
uh, yes. See, I'm an actress. I am always looking forward for exploring better, and I keep stepping out of my comfort zone. And when you're just starting off in a new industry, you have to go introduce yourself first. And I'm looking forward to just go and say hello. I'm Ritika Sen, and I'm an actress. I'm looking forward. I have that passion in me. Yeah.
I wish you only good luck for upcoming all your future. Thank you so much for talking to me. It was such a lovely talking to you, Ritika.
It was amazing. Thank you.
Thank you so much.